My October Boxycharm by Ipsy has arrived. Let's open her up. As always, I have the website pulled up so I can tell you what Ipsy chose for me and what I chose, and I don't think I did any add-ons this month. Here's what the inside of the box looks like, so let's get to opening it up. First up, we have this Pure Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm, and Ipsy chose this for me. So this has pumpkin chai and soy milk, and it's going to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities, and it's great for all skin types. I'm really excited to try this because I'm almost out of the cleansing balm that I'm currently using, and I've been very into the cleansing balms lately. This smells more chai to me than pumpkin, but this is what it looks like. It's just a white cleansing balm, and it comes with this teeny tiny little spatula. I also just love the packaging of this. I think it's just a really cute container, and I really love the color. The next item that Ipsy chose for me is this Life Beauty Astral Eyeshadow Palette. So this palette's really pretty. It has 4 matte shades, the 2 on the ends, and then the 2 in the middle are your shimmers. I don't know why, but I thought there was a green eyeshadow on this palette, and there's no green, so I don't know what I was thinking. I'll definitely be using this eyeshadow palette next week to try it out. I've never heard of Life Beauty, so if you have, tell me your thoughts down below. My first choice was this Beaute Set Lock Setting Spray. Whenever I see a setting spray, I always just choose it, and like I said a couple of videos ago, they changed the all-nighter formula, so I've been trying out new setting sprays. The next item that I chose is the Milk Makeup Kush Sheer Hydrating Lip Oil in the shade Dream Machine. Do not come for me for getting another lip oil. I love lip oils. They are my go-to, and I've been wanting to try one of these from Milk Makeup. I just never picked one up. I want to smell it. I don't know why I feel like these are going to smell good. It's very sweet and fruity. This is what the applicator looks like. These kinds are my favorite because they hug your lip. Let me just try this on the lips. The formula is a little thicker, but I do like it. Then my second Ipsy choice was this Made Up Forever Rouge Artist Forever matte lipstick in the shade Date Me Rosewood. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know why I thought it was a liquid lipstick, so here I'm literally sitting here like turning it like this, but all you have to do is pull it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I really like the shape of this lipstick. It's almost like a teardrop. So let's swatch it and see if the shape makes it easy to apply. Oh yeah, it does. It gets that little shape perfect. But I do love the color. I love a dusty rose. And then for my beauty boost, we got the Drunk Elephant Sea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This is going to help firm and brighten the under eyes. It sounds pretty good. I do really like the packaging. I like Drunk Elephant's packaging, but I like this packaging. I thought you had to like press the lid. No, you turn it. That pops up. How fun. I have liked some of the Drunk Elephant products that I've tried in the past. It's just one of those things I'm never gonna buy for myself because it's so expensive. So whenever I see it in an Ipsy, I do kind of get excited. I totally thought that this month's box was going to be a bust because I didn't love the choices. That's why I ended up with 2 lippies and a setting spray, but I'm actually really excited. I got both of these lippies and the setting spray. I'm also very excited to try out the Pumpkin Chai Latte Cleansing Balm from Pure because I am running out of mine. So this is gonna be like a fun little fall skincare product to use. Let me know what you think of the October box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and tell me what videos you would like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.